Hello Vincent, in session 5 we are going to import model to the Lumion. As you saw in the last session, the building was a layer with different colors. Now it's time to export files in FBX or DAE formats. I will show you how to export the building from Rhino in both formats, so follow these steps with me. After that, enter Lumion and choose one of the appropriate scenes for your project. As I mentioned earlier, they are located in examples or create new sections. I usually use examples project. Select the important model in the Content Library category, then click on the Place. To import a new model, use the green option. Also, you can see all the important models here. On the Open page, flair choose a non-repeating name that is more than 2 letters. If you see this warning, you need to change the name. To keep the library organized, layer the models imported. We will talk about these two options later. Now with a click, the model will be placed in the scene.